They're supposed to do this stone.
Yeah.
But when they couldn't get the type of stone they want.
Las dos tierras para siempre.
This place now, eh?
Yes.
This is where the players gather
Okay.
before they go to a game. And this place, they have what is called a kiosk where they sell newspapers. So it's just like when you want to go together. So you see people sitting here around this kiosk, waiting before they move for their game. So this place is it's a monumental place, never to forget. So that is why they are putting this in. They wanted a stone from our place. We tried, it was so difficult because they needed something that would last for ages. So they ended up, but there is a stone that is from Biafra land that's under this small stone. That's from Biafra land that's under this. So what you see is like a kiosk where they said it.
La figura esta, ¿cuál es la figura esta?
This figura is what's it called? I have
Ikenga. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's true. That's Ikenga kind of. Yeah.
So this is the flag. This is 50 years anniversary. Ncheta for Irise. This is 50th anniversary of Biafra FC.
In Igbo language.
Also in Igbo.
Y esto es la forma que tenía el periódico.
Kiosque de Pere. Yeah, that is the kiosk of the periodical.
The newspaper.
From 1969 to 1978, this is where you see, this is their logo. This is their Biafra badge. You see it on their
Una
chest.
pelota, y esto es un campo de fútbol, ¿ves?
Yeah.
Las tonterías.
Yeah. So you see that the design is like a field.
Oh, the pitch, yeah. The pitch. Oh, yeah. Actually, yeah. The pitch, yeah.
And this monument was installed here this day, December 20.
So there's a piece of Biafran stone under this.
Initially, they wanted to do
a whole big stone, yeah.
With big stone, but we couldn't get it.
Lo más importante
Couldn't get
es
the
esto.
dimension, the
stone.
thickness.
This is it.
So that's a piece of
Say that
stone.
is the most important thing for them. The most important is this
The stone.
Which is the bond between the Catalina
But isn't it ironic that there is no hailstone to remember Biafrans who died in our own land?
In our own land.
This is a big shame.
It's a big shame, you know.
What this map, this is African map. So what they put here, this is Biafra. They put a point here for you to know exactly
The spot where the Biafra.
You can find Biafra in the map. So that if I thought you are looking for the map, you can't find
Y el
it.
kiosco este hacía esto así.
So this the kiosk was just. This is exactly the center where the kiosk is.
Tenía esta forma.
And this is the way it is
The
built.
form of the kiosk.
So
Wow.
you have to.
When this thing was inaugurated, the mayor of the city was present.
Was here.
When during the inauguration, the mayor of the city and IPOB were present. That was in December 2020.
Ahora, a final de año, estamos preparando un libro.
Okay. Like now, at the end of this year, they are preparing a book. They wrote a book regarding this history. Around December, the book will be launched. I believe that they're also inviting us. Of course, we have something we're going to present to them as well. In there.
Un catalán.
Yeah. They have the book in Catalan
and Igbo language.
Wow.
Translated. They are translated in Igbo.
Ihe akwụ ihe to our people.
It's a very big shame.
A big.
We thank God for Nnamdi Kanu, because if not for Nnamdi,
Nnamdi Kanu,
we wouldn't have been able to achieve all this. Nnamdi Kanu would be a great leader.
You can imagine at the age as old as he is, since 16 years, at the age of 16, he started this project. He said that his main dream is to see Biafra come. If Biafra will be restored his time.
Esta es la plaza más importante del pueblo.
This is an important
square.
Yeah. For this city, this village. This is a village. Yeah.
This is also where they do that. They are at
Okay.
See there.
Máximo 10 pisos.
More, the longest is 10 stories. 10.
10 stories.
10
people.
10 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, that.
Ooh.
Yeah. 10.
Yes,
Topic is 4, 6. Like I went up to 4, 5, and I 4, 5. I didn't 4, 5. But
Yeah.
they
modified it.
Because Ibiza and they totally filled up. So they
built the edifice.
Para hacer uno de 10 pisos necesitamos 500 personas.
To build the 10 stories at your own work, they need 500 people.
500 people
To get the base.
Build it from there. That is unity.
Si se cae, no puede caer.
So so that if they fall, they cannot fall on the ground. Fall on
Good. Then, Sir Ramon, pardona, una pregunta. Eso, ¿qué? Osu ni matu yaka.
Akwesịrị imete aka. Imete aka. Oh,
to feel it.
Even though you know that we should touch it.
Oh yeah, this thing.
Eso.
History. Ha na-ekwu maka ya. Ha na-ekwu maka ya.
Esta torre.
Vale.
Es la más alta de Cataluña.
¿Así?
The most tallest cathedral.
Representa toda la ciudad de Baja.
It's the logo.
Emblem,
Emblem, yeah.
So they recognize it with
The Biafran.
Biafra this thing.
Our elders, amam ha ga-agwa ndị ede anyị
Tienen que seguir.
far away in Europe. People are still holding on and hoping, praying that Biafra will come. And then the Igbo no na afọtọgharị.
Yeah. The end of